For the first time in more than half a century, humans didn't just look at the moon, they went back. And this time, they brought back something extraordinary. Not blurry images, not distant observations, but the clearest, most breathtaking views of the moon ever captured by human eyes. This is the story of Artemis II, the mission that took humanity back to deep space and safely brought them home. In April 2026, NASA launched Artemis II, the first crewed mission to the moon since 1972. Four astronauts boarded the Orion spacecraft, leaving Earth behind, traveling farther than any human had gone in generations. Their destination? Not landing on the moon, but orbiting it, witnessing it up close, like never before. As Orion approached the moon, something incredible happened. The cameras began capturing images, sharper, deeper, and more detailed than ever before. Craters that looked flat from Earth now revealed towering walls, stretching for miles. Shadows carved across the surface, exposing textures untouched for billions of years. The far side of the moon, hidden from Earth forever, peered in stunning clarity. A landscape so raw, so ancient, felt like looking back in time itself. But perhaps the most emotional image wasn't the moon, it was Earth. Seen from nearly 400,000 kilometers away, a small, glowing blue sphere, floating in complete darkness. No borders, no divisions, just one fragile world, hanging in the void. For the astronauts, it wasn't just a view, it was a realization of how small and precious our home truly is. After nearly 10 days in deep space, it was time to return. But coming home is the most dangerous part of any mission. The Orion capsule re-entered Earth's atmosphere at speeds over 25,000 miles per hour. Temperatures outside soared to nearly 3,000 degrees Celsius. For a few intense minutes, everything depended on the heat shield. Then silence, parachutes deployed, and finally, splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. Artemis II was home. These images are more than just pictures. They are proof that humanity has stepped back into deep space. Artemis II wasn't the end. It was the beginning. The next mission, Artemis III, will attempt something even greater, landing humans on the moon once again. But this time, to stay longer and go further. The moon has always been there, watching us, guiding us, inspiring us. And now, we've returned the gaze, not as distant observers, but as explorers, ready for what comes next. This is only the beginning.